Guys, welcome to Dawn Cooking Skill. So today guys, I'll be doing some steamed fish, and so guys, I'll show you how I do mine, and I hope you enjoy seeing what I do. So guys, I have these fish, and the people will be scared of the head, but it's okay. And so this is my first time trying this one. So I went to the fish shop and see them, and see this type of fish, and I thought, oh, let me try them. They look very, very fleshy, very meaty. So I thought, let me try it. So guys, this is a fish that came home and I clean it up nicely. So guys, I show you how I like to make sure the fish is very clean inside and whatever it is. So it's supposed to be, I like it like that, so to make sure it is very clean. So guys, I'll be adding it to the pan here because it's steamed fish, and so I'll be putting it in. So it's two, and I cut them into halves, yeah. So I have them like that, guys. And in the pan, if you can see me properly, is I will put in some tomato, and this is two. These vegetables that I'll be adding, and the ingredients are already washed. So guys, I'll be adding 2 tomatoes in there. Guys, I'm having two half of sweet pepper. I have the red and the green. So I'll be adding that as well, guys. So I have to make sure I hurry up because I don't want my time to go over. I have some onion, and that's 1 onion chopped. So guys, I like to make sure whatever I'm cooking, it tastes really nice. And in here, guys, I had some fresh thyme, so I cut it in half, and some spring onion, what I call scallion. So I had that as well. Guys, I have some garlic, so I like to cook with garlic. And this is about 4 pegs, not head, pegs. Those are the good things. Yes, so I have that as well. Sprinkle it over. And this is my okra, guys. So your steamed fish is really nice with okra. So you can do steamed fish without okra. So spread it all over. And guys, I had some pepper, some chili pepper. Yeah. When you cook fish like this, you need a bit of pepper in there. You need a bit of kick. And guys, I have some seasoning here. These are some little packs of Maggi, and this is all-purpose seasoning. So you can get this from the West Indian shop. So these are small packs, and I'll just sprinkle it over it. And this is some fish one, Maggi as well. Hope I'm not advertising it. So this one is fish seasoning, guys. So I'll be sprinkling it over there. And then I'll be adding some black pepper. Then I have this one where you can just spin it like that over your, just make it crush like that. So we have ready some there. I can maybe add some more later on when I taste it. And guys, I'll be adding a bit of seasoning on. But guys, if you do not take a lot of salt, make sure you start cooking and you taste it, or should just sprinkle a bit on. I should use a spoon, but I using the fork, yeah? So you taste the food before you had too much seasoning in there, because most of these seasoning are salty. So you need to make sure you taste it. Make sure when you start cooking, you taste it. So I'll be turning the fire on. Guys, I'll be adding from my kettle. I'll be adding a bit of water in there. They need water. Yes, to cook. Make sure you cook it. guys, I'll put a bit of butter in as well. So turn the fire down. It's a bit high, very high. So I'll put a bit more water. I'll just put some butter in there as well. Yes, guys, I'll just add some butter. Because remember, we're not having any oil in there. So this is about maybe 4 ounces of butter. It's not a lot, so it looks like a lot, but and guys, we just cover it. Yeah. So you cover it, and then this would take fish don't take long to cook, but you need your veg to cook, like your okra and things like that. So you need about the next 15 minutes to check it, see if it need a bit more seasoning in there. If this is okay, you just give it another 15 minutes. The fish does not take long, but you have to make sure the seasoning, what your ingredients cook, with it as well. So guys, I hope you enjoy. Just see what I did to make my steamed fish, guys. And so I'll show you at the end, what it looked like. Yes, guys? So take care of yourself. Bye. Guys, that's my steamed fish, guys. It's steaming. Guys, I show you. I'm gonna show you. Oops, daisy. I'm moving it. Guys, this is the okra there. All these okra and sweet pepper. Yes, guys, that's a fish over there. And guys, that's it off. Because it's a very long fish. Very long. This is my first time trying it. And it looked fantastic. So guys, this is my steamed fish. Yeah. So I put it across. And this is all that I had in there. My okra, my pepper. Still seeing some of the tomato. Yes, guys. And guys, I'll be having it with some dumpling and a piece of soft yam and a seed of banana. And yes, guys, I'll be enjoying the fish that I cooked. And so, guys, if you watch my video, and this is the juice that I will be saucing up with my yam, because it's a soft yam, so it needs some juice to soak it in. And guess what, guys? Who know what I'm talking about? I bought a piece of breadfruit, and guys, I just bought a piece of breadfruit. I don't normally. The other day I bought a piece as well, I may be getting good, and so I have a slice of piece of the breadfruit as well. Yes, guys. So that's the juice to sauce my food in. Yeah. So you check out my video, guys. I know there's a lot of people who maybe know how to do it, and there's a lot of people who don't. So guys, if any of you don't know how to do, get the fish and get it cleaned up nicely, and prepare it to be cooked, and get all the ingredients that you need to cook it and let it taste nice. And guys, as I said before, if you can't take a lot of salt, guys, you need to taste your food before you add any more salt to it. So taste it before you, because most of these seasonings are salt. They have really of salt in them. So make sure you taste your food before you add any other type of seasoning in it. So guys, so that's my steamed fish, and it looks fantastic. Cook really nice. Steaming as well. So take care of yourself until next time. Bye.